have to reveal this. I have never said this, but peptide. Let's talk today about the peptide. Peptides are amino acid chains that are actually building blocks for our skin. So if you want to have a firm and tight skin, don't look anywhere else, look at this baby. Here I want to read for you some of my reviews on the website that people are saying that using this amazing superfood ingredient. So nice ingredients and does a great job firming. Make my skin brighter and brilliant from Rose. I like it. The texture of it is amazing from Ekaterina. I love this natural peptide serum. It's hydrating but not greasy and it's perfect for my sensitive skin. I love using it after dermarolling from Lisa. One of the best peptides on the market. Firmer skin, luxury serum. Will never go without it. Francesca. I find everything from Jen is quality products. I now never question what she offers because I know she does her research and will not sell her inferior product with her name on it. From Heather. Perfection, feels good and my skin feels great. Will repurchase. Shahia. Guys, this is amazing. So why do you need peptide in your skin? It is firming, it is moisturizing, it is hydrating, strengthening your skin, and it's anti-aging. Nobody is talking too much about peptides, but peptides, for example, now I have to be honest and I have to reveal this. I have never said this, but this serum, it's a combination of another, of course, beautiful ingredients. It's my favorite all-time Dermaroller beauty product. Here is why. It is 98% naturally derived, 72% organic. We make this in USA, not anywhere else. We make this in Florida, actually. It is toxin-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and any other irritating ingredients free. It is anti-aging superfood. Peptides are amino acid chains that are part of the building blocks of your skin protein. They help form collagen and elastin, smoothing and plumping the skin. As we age, we lose peptides along with collagen and hyaluronic acid, and skin and hair can become dry and lose elasticity. Topically applied peptides absorb into your skin, actually signaling your body to boost production of collagen and even hyaluronic acid. This Dermaroller Beauty Natural Peptide Serum is formulated with a concentrated delivery system with added skin-enriched additions like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, vitamin E, and other healing plant extracts. The result, especially after microneedling, is visibly plumper skin, reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and firmer, more elastic skin. Can be used alone or layered morning and evening for all skin types. So, if you're using Dermaroller, here is what I want to tell you. When you're using Dermaroller, you use microneedling tool, Dermaroller, and then you apply peptide serum. It's going to penetrate much deeper into your skin if you're not using microneedling tool. This is something that everyone should know, and you can use a small size, a 0.25 every 3 days to make sure that you're not wasting product and it is absorbing beautifully. It's not oily, it's really hydrating, it's incredible ingredient. Guys, this is my favorite product for a reason. I'm not lying, I'm not faking it. I love other products as well. I love a lot of products, but this one, because I have really sensitive skin and dry skin, and my skin, I started aging really early when I was 19. And I'm right now 36 years old. I am 36 years old. I had issues with the saggy jowls. I do microneedling consistently all the time. If you're about to look for microneedling tool, make sure it is real individual needle tool. I'm not gonna go into detail, but we do have real individual needle tool is trademarked. I own a trademark that we do have real needles inside. Most of the companies that do offer this, they do not have real needles inside. They do not know that, and they can't do that because I own the trademark. Anyway, so just wanted to jump in and tell you about peptide. It is really great superfood that you need to have in your skincare routine. Make sure it is clean. Make sure you buy it from the people that they know what is inside the bottle, that they love what they do, and their bigger mission is something more than just make money. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the red button, subscribe. It helps me a lot, and I see you in my next video. Let me know what's your favorite natural peptide serum, and if you're using, and if you're not using, when will you start using? Bye.